Here at Lloyd Jaguar in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Jaguar F-Pace SVR, finished in the very stylish Eiger Grey. It's a 5 litre V8 putting out an impressive 550 PS. Sitting on those stunning 22-inch gloss black alloys with the satin grey inserts. And you've got the red calipers working well with the grey finish of the exterior, really adding a sporty finish. Show you the practicality of the vehicle now, a huge amount of boot space there. Moving to the interior, you have got the Ebony Suedecloth and Windsor leather finish, very comfortable to be in, outer rear heated seats as well. You have got the Meridian sound system, sounding fantastic throughout the vehicle. Very well presented dashboards, you've got the additional sliding panoramic sunroof, fantastic feature to have on the vehicle, as well as having the additional heads-up display function. Got ease of access to the navigation system, as well as your 3D surround camera on there as well, perfect for use when getting into those tight spaces. You've got ease of access to a huge range of other features. These do include your climate front seats, perfect for use all year round. And for more information regarding this vehicle, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.